Kari Bhoi Synod College kalak penwai noi akatayo lekmen kisamla pule nega college week haka arpotorik nailar. Haka tega program ki arngut ki amal egat Henry Bhoi kalak syakot sengabha ban sekhilang haka penwai ya katega tayo lekmen jong katega Islam ki bakan top yo ba Emerald Bonds amal egat nongpo bat ba Jason as Maulong amal egat msning. Ki weipan ki blak sekhilang ki kentop yo vice principal ka college Reverend Precious Demung lembat kinu hikai bat kisamla pule jong katega college. Haka tiga singi Pynkut ia kata college week layu i bagi samla pule ki balap pen i ki sap ki pong la kalong haka ruai ka syat lembat ka jinga kopen iriam bat ia ka nam ladu haka jinga kopen iriam lan ka Mystery Bhoi Synod College arajar arpuar layu benra da ka samla ibala kan tiu meri lapang bat ia ka nam Mystery Bhoi Synod College layu benra da samla Favourland kamdei kinong kran ki blajing kran haka tiga singi ki lapan pau ka jing singungu ikinong penya jong ka college ki blak sim khia ban penlong i ka college week kabalong kumsi benta ban kenteu i ka sap ka pong jong ki samla ki bapule haka Islam ajing stan khamtam ki bawan na kalung ki baduna kayo ka kot haka singi na kaliang jong MLA kom sning constituency ula penmang lembada ka song pisa sya ka Islam ajing stan kum kadak ka jisno krilang ber ka Islam ajing stan
in front of you studying trying to achieve something that you've always aspired, trying to achieve something that you always look ahead, but having a college week frees your mind a bit, relaxes your mind a bit, and it brings about among students that coordination, that cooperation, that love, that caring. Because sometimes when it's just with your books, the pressure is immense. So sometimes when I have activities, like the activities that I saw earlier, the prize that you've been distributed, the example speech, the calligraphy, I know that outdoor activity, there was a football. So it's something that is really, really nice, that brings out, that shows the talent. And I'm sure this college, the enrollment that I got through from the vice principal was about 200, and it's just the art stream. I am sure in the times ahead, there should be different stream as well. And me as a legislator, from before and from now onwards, and here onwards as well, I'm going to be there with you. Through thick and thin, I'll give my right hand, I'll give my thoughts, my inspiration, anything that is required in this college, I'm going to be there next to you. Because I understand, I want the youth who are studying in this college to have a very, very bright future.
Colleges, they are our second home. Apart from the home that we live in, that we are born and brought up with our parents, school and colleges are our second home. So it is very important that we have that bonding, the love and affection towards each other, towards our teachers, towards our fellow students, how we build this family. College is a family only. There is no difference between the family you have at home, where you have your parents, where you have your brothers and sisters, your family member. Here also you live like a family. The faculty members, the teachers, the student, male and female, each and every one. The non-teaching staff, those who are very much part and parcel of this college. The governing body, the Synod College, the Synod, the Bhoi Synod as the sponsoring body, and all the stakeholders who are there within it. We live like a family, so it is very important that we carry forward this legacy that has been built upon around all of us. As a student, it is a tough time ahead that we have to go through. The dream and aspiration of your parents is send you here with an expectation that you will do well. But on one side. The expectation of the teachers, of the principal, vice principal, the faculty member is that you have to do well. Then even the faculty member, they will feel that we have done our job. I'm not wrong to say that. All of you are.